In this video, I will show you how to get an invoice from the Amazon app. So to get your invoice, all you need to do is click on your account icon in the bottom. That will take you right here. From here, go and click on your orders. Now once you're in your orders, if the order was in the last 3 months, you will see it right here. Otherwise, just click filter and then just filter when it was, for example, say 2023, and click apply. So for example, I've got this order, so I can now go and click on this one. And then in order to get the invoice for this order, you want to scroll down until you see order info, and there you will see download invoice. So to download it, go and click download. Then here click download documents. And after you click download documents, an invoice will show up. Then you can simply go and save that. So now you know how to get an invoice from the Amazon app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.